Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be making this sparrow painting. I'll be taking you through the process of this painting and the background and the sparrow details. And for making this painting I have used Derwent Graphitint set. It's a 24 color set, and as you can see, these are all the colors. The pencil is gray in the color and it is water soluble, as you can see from the mark that it is a water soluble pencil. And when applied dry, this has a good graphite effect, but when you go over it with water, then it turns into a water soluble pencil. And I have used this set for this particular drawing, and we'll be going over the details on how I went about it. For this we'll also need two brushes. I have taken brush number 6 and a brush number 8. So 6 is for the details, whereas 8 is to cover the broader areas of the painting. So let's get started. So as you can see, this is a sped up process, but I'm adding the basic colors. Just blocking in the colors. You don't have to worry too much about the harsh lines and all, because we are eventually going to blend it with water. So I'm just adding in, blocking in the main colors, making sure I get my lights, my shadows, my highlights, all of it blocked in before I mix it with water. And I'm not following any rule as such here, like from light to dark or dark to light. I'm just adding in the basic colors, and as you can see, the colors when dry, they are so like graphite. Like, this is the quality of the pencils. When the colors are dry, they are like graphite, and you will note that once I go over it with water, it changes, like the color changes. So I'll advise using a swatch card. I made one, I might share it in my next video, but I'll advise a swatch card before you use these pencils. So I'm blocking in some areas, blocking in some colors here, like the various shades, and now I'm using brush with water, not a lot of water. And one of the main points is that you need to keep making sure your brush is clean before you go over it with another, like before you add it to any another part of your painting. So similar colors, make sure that your colors don't mix up, so keep cleaning your brush very frequently. And now I'm on to the second sparrow, again following the same process, blocking in the colors and then going over it with a brush. Once the first layer is dry, I'm going over it again with some pencils to darken in my shadows and colors, and then I'll blend it again using the brush, as you can see it here. So this is one of the techniques you can use with the watercolor pencils or the water soluble pencils to achieve the strong contrast between the shadows and the highlights. So we are almost done, and here is the finished painting. I hope you enjoyed the process. Let me know in the comments below.